Pool cleaning is underway. You can see the birds. And those titmouse. Titmouse. Chickadee. What's that? Chickadee. I hear the golden finches, but where are they? I don't know. There's one right there. Where is it? Here he is. Whoop. What the heck is that thing? Oh, it got a red head on it. These yellow birds don't take too much shit. They're not scared of much. They'll be back. What is that red head doing there? That's weird. Mama, she's gonna get it. Go get it. Oh, there's that red thing again. What is that? He's an eater. That paint tray has been out here for 10 years. Oh, what's that? Oh, there's one right there. Oop, he's out of there. Still don't know what that is. Oh, I've seen these before, but they never had red on their heads. Maybe that's the male. What am I doing, Mama? What am I doing? Oh, I'm cleaning the pool. Come and help me. You see that hawk? Hawk or something. Whoa. I'm falling over trying to watch it. Hello?